Yo, hello guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to sell on Shutterstock. For your images, you can sell your photos, you can sell high quality videos. So let's start our video. Quickly, I'm gonna go to Shutterstock Contributor. If you have an account, you can just log in. If you don't have an account, you can just sign up right here by clicking on this icon. So I already have an account with Shutterstock Contributor, so I submitted a few photos a few days back, and also it's 2024 since I have started selling photos. So my portfolio is not that big, but I'm gonna show you that how it works and how you could sell photos on Shutterstock. So what do you have when you first log in? You have the upload option. Now what you have to do is you have to make sure that your photos and your videos are high quality. If you are just starting with Shutterstock, or if you're just trying to make some extra money, or you only focus on money, or if you're just curious about your earnings, please don't start with Shutterstock. Or you can do like Getty Images, you can do Pixels, Pixabay, whatever you want, but I prefer Shutterstock as they pay you the best amount for your pictures for your collection. So I'm going to click on earning to see my earning summary. I currently have no earning for this month, as I just started recently uploading, and some of my images are not even high quality images. If I can show you right here, and some of them are just rejected and some of them are added to my portfolio. So that's all guys. If you upload high quality videos and focus more on keyword research and your image title, or your if your images are high selling, you will get like uh, you can even make $25 per day. So make sure that your photos are perfect. So you could do like a search on Google, what photos are best to sell, what photos sell the most on Shutterstock. So just like that. So landscapes, foods, and women related photos are just like being sold on a Shutterstock like crazy. So focus on these niches, focus on these topics, make more videos, make more photos, and upload them to Shutterstock so that you can make some extra money. So if you have a good quality phone or good quality camera, you can just get started. So I hope you like this video. It's just a basic and simple video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new, and press the notification bell so that you can see my face in the next few videos. So take care and